Getting another breaking input. Clearly, amidst all of this, there are a lot of political showdowns happening. Now, BJP's Sukanta Majumdar has now written a letter to Governor C.V. Ananda Bose and urged him to speak to Bengal government to release the student leaders who have been arrested yesterday. So these are the latest inputs that we are tracking at this point of time. BJP's Sukanta Majumdar has urged Governor C.V. Ananda Bose to intervene in releasing the student leaders that were arrested during yesterday's protests, now sparking another political firestorm in the state. Now, Kamalika continues to stay with us on the broadcast. Kamalika, help us understand more about this student leaders situation and the fact that the government's response to their protests have led to these arrests.
See, Shayan Lahiri, who was spearheading the movement, he has been arrested by the Kolkata police yesterday evening. Now, the cases that has been slapped on Shayan is conspiracy and rioting. The fact that the police has came out since day before yesterday that there is a conspiracy, miscreants will come, large-scale violence will take place. That's what actually happened, that yesterday the protest was not peaceful, and that's why police has a logic. They are saying, the police are saying that, see, we pointed out and see what they have done. Now the responsibility the Shayan Lahiri has to take. This is the police logic. On the other hand, the BJP is saying, though the BJP has not openly come out and joined them in the rally, but the BJP morally supported them in the rally, and they said that if some actions are taken against the students and this Shayan Lahiri, then the BJP will be supporting them. And likewise, Sukanta Majumdar, we have seen in Lal Bazar, he was protested yesterday, and today he wants C.V. Ananda Bose to intervene in this matter because they feel that there has been police atrocities on these students, and lathi charge and all these things has happened. But on the other hand, the police is sticking to the point. The fact that there is a law and order issue yesterday, it happened because of the conspiracy of these people who were spearheading the movement. So we'll really have to see how the governor reacts. We have seen yesterday late night the governor has reacted by stating that the police resorted to lathi charge and whatever they have done is not right. But the police is putting one logic straight away that this law and order situation was apprehended by the police. There were intelligence information, and that's why police had to take steps.
Right, Kamalika, I'll request you to stay with us on the broadcast as we're getting a lot of political reactions on this. First, let's take a look at that, and then I'll come back to you to understand the ground reality of what is actually escalating at the moment.
The brutal mayhem unleashed by the merciless Mamata Sarkar is not just vicious and vindictive, it is inhumane. There is the role of the Kolkata police and the Chief Minister has been very suspect. We know that. The accused Sanjay Roy has been a civic volunteer and a member of the Kolkata Police Welfare Board, and we know that he has been living on the 4th Battalion premises of the Kolkata Police, and new investigations by the CBI revealed that the bike which Sanjay Roy was driving on the day of the incident very clearly shows that it was registered in the name of the Kolkata Police, the name of the Kolkata Commissioner. So these raises many questions.
अभी बंद चल रहा है, पुलिस रिक्वेस्ट किया कम से कम एक ट्रेन छोड़ दो, नहीं तो हमारा नौकरी चला जाएगा, हमें बचाइए। पुलिस आकर रिक्वेस्ट किया, आईसी आकर रिक्वेस्ट किया, एसडीपी आकर रिक्वेस्ट किया, साहब एक ट्रेन कम से कम छोड़ो, बाद में पूरा खड़ा कर देना। ट्रेन कहाँ जाएगा? बनगांव से सुबह से बंद था, एक भी ट्रेन नहीं है। शियालदह से अभी सतपाड़ा रुकेगा, ठाकुर नगर रुकेगा, ऐसा चलता ही रहेगा दिन भर। रिक्वेस्ट किया, साहब हमारा नौकरी बचाइए, साहब हमारा नौकरी बचाइए। टीएमसी पुलिस कुछ नहीं कर पाया, इसीलिए गुंडा बाहिनी को भेज दे ममता ने। ये तो टीएमसी का कल्चर है ना, ये तो टीएमसी का कल्चर है, गुंडा बाहिनी को भेज दिया। कल देखा ना नवोदय में व्यक्त हो गया लोग, इसलिए आज कोशिश कर रहा है हम लोग का छात्रों का आज के समावेश है धर्मतला में, वो लोग बंद कर ले, इसलिए जो प्रोग्राम नहीं हो सकेगा इसलिए। और आज परीक्षा भी है, साधारण मानुष खेटेगा मानुष, उनके पेट के लाठी मारने के लिए लोग आया है। ये वेस्ट बंगाल में डाकती करने आया है, लेकिन वो लोग नहीं जानता है ममता बनर्जी के साथ साधारण आदमी है, गरीब आदमी है, ऐसा करके वेस्ट बंगाल को रोका नहीं जाएगा।
Well, opposition parties, including the BJP, have intensified their criticism of ruling party, that's Trinamool Congress government, accusing it of suppressing democratic voices and violating human rights. While on the other hand, TMC has defended the arrests as necessary to maintain law and order situation. Now, Kamalika, amidst the escalating political standoff, what does the situation look like and what actions can be taken by the administration, one, and second by the governor in response to the allegations and the protests that are likely to begin anytime soon?
Well, we'll really have to see that what steps the governor takes since Shukanta Majumdar has written a letter and has requested the governor to intervene. Now, the fact is, yesterday late night, governor already came out with a statement stating whatever the police has done is not right. We'll really have to wait and see what the governor does, what is the steps that the governor takes in. See, the situation looks like is very clear as far as the administration and police is concerned. Police has stated that since ADG South Bengal, Supratim Sharkar himself have briefed the media, consecutive for 2 days, stating that they have information that the miscreants will vandalize and there is going to be a law and order issue. Likewise, those law and order issue has taken place and they are saying that these are the people who are behind these riots and they have conspired for it. So they had no other alternative but to arrest them, and there is going to be very strict sections on them. That's very clear.
Right.
On the other hand, the BJP is saying that the police has resorted to lathi charge. Police has absolutely mistreated and tortured the students, and that's why the intervention of governor is essential. Yesterday, Shukanta Majumdar said that if something happens today, he is going to sit on the roads. Shubhendu Adhikari also said if something wrong happens, then he is going to, make Bengal Bandh successful, like he's going to make standstill. He's going to stop Bengal in every way today. So we'll really have to say as the day proceeds. On the other hand, the flashpoint is that there is a foundation day of Trinamool Congress Chhatra Parishad, where there is going to be a lot of rallies coming in. Will there be a showdown between the BJP and the TMC? That we'll really have to see.
Right, Kamalika, thank you so much for bringing in all those details.